Good afternoon guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, we're all set up, and today I'm again on the ground. My little brother's with me on this camp and he's set up in the hammock, so you'll see him shortly. He's just gone to the car to get some wood. We're out in a local woodlands as well, not too far from the house, about 43 minutes away give or take, and it's a permission woodland, so we're allowed to be here. My setup for today is something I've never done before, and it's a weird tarp configuration, so I'll bring you around and I'll show you that shortly as well. But like I said, there's no signs of rain tonight, so I can get away with what I've done. And yeah, looks weird, but again, it just shows that you can do all sorts of tarp configurations with a 3x3 tarp. So yeah, we're going to just get sorted now, get rest of camp sorted, get the wood prepped, and we'll bring you back shortly. So as you can see with the tarp, bring it down here. So we've still got the sides on the tarp, and we've got a bit of a ground sheet for it as well. Ready for spin you around camp. We've just got the hammock set up that my little brother's done. And here he is, bringing the wood in. He's got all 4 bags, look at him. The grafter.
Champion.
It's a lot better, isn't it? Loads better. Right, so all I've got is some birch bark and some very fine sticks. Stick them to one side. Right, so camp's all set up. Me and my little brother just gonna have a quick drink now and just watch the sunset. So cheers everyone to a good camp. Cheers mate. It's nice to see you.
Oh, that's nice, that, isn't it?
Yeah, nice hazy jam mate. Brewdog special.
It's been a minute, hasn't it?
It's been a while, hasn't it, since we well, since we last went out mate, never mind what else. They're a nice campfire food, these, aren't they?
Yeah. I wish you got about 3 in each shell.
Yeah, it'd be nice, wouldn't it? Yeah, you've got to have it with the strawberry jam on as well.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Right, so we've got some Polish cheese. Gonna give it a try.
Looks mental, though.
Yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it? That's up.
I heat it up quick. You've not got olive oil, have you?
No, you don't need it. It's got quite a good bit of grease on it. Bon appetit, mate. We're going to try some Polish cheese. Bit of jam.
Bosh.
Fairy lights are on. Right. Stick that on side.
Is that enough tritz on?
Should be. You can always put some more in.
A little slice of lemon, that, innit?
What flavour we got there, mate?
We've got chili chicken skewers to start with.
Nice. Where you go?
I honestly wish you could smell the fumes off that. Smells that it's the chicken on stick what smells amazing, man. It smells like a Chinese.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It does smell good.
Right, where's our pokey stick?
So we've plated up, good to go. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Nice and smooth.
A bit more fruity.
Smoother, innit? Smoother than the last one. So we did make some food earlier, but then the battery on the camera decided to die, and we had the food all played out ready. So what we decided to do was just have the food off camera, but we've saved some skewers for later on now, just to try out. The last skewers were a bit too spicy, weren't they, mate?
Yeah, no taste at all for rest of meal.
No.
But this is Oisin duck, this one, and then this is teriyaki.
Yeah, the teriyaki one will be nice.
Yeah.
Right, so we've got some mystical fire flame colour changes. For you all that are quite interested in changing your flames, getting something different out of it. I'm not sure if they come in a lot of different colours or it's just one specific colour. We've just chucked one on, and to be fair, we've got a blue and green, haven't we, mate?
Yeah.
Wait,
is it different colours?
Yeah, there's yellow, there's pink, red.
What we got there?
I'm not too sure, mate, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't really say if there's specific colours. So it just says toss 1 to 3 of them on.
Whoa,
So we've got one, so we've got one of them on already. Not sure if you'll be able to pick that up on camera. Let me move out the way. Yeah, so it's picking it up a little. Got some blue and green in that. But it does look good. Alright, well that's me all settled in. Ready for bed now. It's about 20 past 11, give or take. So I'm just going to watch this fire burn out, get some sleep. So I'll see you all in the morning. Well, good morning all. Slept really well. Stayed warm, as always. In fact, if anything, I was a little too warm, so I've started sweating a little bit. But weren't too bad of a night, to be fair. Right, good morning everyone. Time for us to get up now and get packed. Just been looking at some of the views around the woodlands this morning. It's looking, the sky's looking nice, to be fair, especially on the other side. But yeah, it's getting cold, so we're going to pack away, get everything sorted, and we'll end the video there. So thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.